Hitting the gym, West Croydon, coming up to 1 AM. This is like a Star Trek of gyms. This is my little spot here, guys. We're here at the gym group in West Croydon. I've been training here for the last 2-3 months. And yeah, it's usually a late night session, man. After I get all the work done, after I get all my admin done, emails, I come here, I train. Today I've turned the camera on and take you through my workout. Been working on this 30-day challenge recently, which is going to be 500 double unders, 100 press ups and 50 pull-ups. Try and get that done in roughly about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, get a real sweat on. I'm trying to basically cut at the moment, so I love to keep my sweatshirt on or my hoodie, sweat as much as I can. Got shorts, Nike Under Armour leggings at the moment, skinny calves as always, Nike Flyknit 3.0s, and I've got the trusty money rope, the pink money rope. Last but not least, got the RA snapback and the RA sound pods to keep me going. I'm gonna basically put the camera down. Hopefully you guys can follow along on this workout. I'm gonna run the commentary over this, and I'll see you in the next clip, maybe the next video. We'll see how it goes. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? Welcome to the commentary. So, very quickly, this video is going to be really different to what you guys are used to. I'm showing you guys raw clips of me training behind the scenes. I don't think I've ever kind of produced a video like this before, but a lot of you have been asking and messaging me and asking me how I build my combinations, how I work out, how I train with the rope, and I think this video will be really useful for you guys. So what I tend to do at the beginning is I always work on kind of footwork, kind of wrist drills, if that makes sense, of getting my crossovers in, then firing up my fast twitch muscles with double unders. But generally, like, you're going to see the same thing always and always with me, which is one arm swings, just to get the timing, the rhythm, the tempo, get my body really just kind of feeling the rope, just getting warm as well, obviously, to make sure I don't suffer from any injuries and things like that, get the blood flowing, get the heart kind of working. And then we're going to go into this workout, which is a crazy 30-day challenge that I've set myself. A few people on Instagram have been kind of following as well and really helping me push along. But what I'm going to be doing is 50 double unders. It's a kind of cycle of 10. So we start with 50 double unders, and then we're going to kind of go on to 50 press ups and then 50 pull ups, which you'll see coming along. But I just want to show this raw clip of me doing the double unders, and wanted to let you guys know again that we're going to always focus on staying on the balls of our feet, breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. So that helps us expand the lungs, make sure that legs are not too flexed. And yeah, this is the first set, so I'm feeling fresh here. You're going to see later on how difficult it gets. But with the press ups, we just keep it nice and simple. This is a military kind of press up, so my arms actually go backwards, kind of my elbows, if that makes sense. And then we go straight into pull ups. So my pull up form is probably not the best, to be honest with you. I used to be a bit more stronger with pull ups, but starting here with 5, and yeah, trying to get as low as possible and just get a good squeeze on the lats. And then yeah, straight back into it. We get a nice little kind of rest. I'll give myself around about a minute rest, and then we go straight back into the cycle again. 10 minutes in, I'm already dripping with sweat. This workout is killer, guys. 10 sets. It's a struggle. When you get to about set 4, set 5, damn, it is a struggle. I'm already out of breath, but we keep going, keep plugging away. After this, after I'm done with this, I'm gonna start doing a bit of freestyle. Basically start building some combos, just practicing. The work goes on here, guys, behind the scenes. Before I ever step in front of the camera to show you guys any move, any trick, this is what I do nearly every night now. It's 1 AM, and yeah, the grind starts now. The grind starts here every single day, and man, I love it. I love skipping to bits, man. I love feeling the rope. I love feeling the adrenaline, the rush you get. 50 double unders, 100 double unders, crossovers, whatever you put together in your skipping, guys, whatever routine, you're always going to get an incredible burn, incredible sweat. Best cardio pound for pound, best piece of equipment you can ever own. Right here. Freaking love it. Sweating like a biz actually. Gonna up the ante a little bit. Gonna go for, instead of 50 double unders, gonna go for 50 double under crossovers. Get that maximum burn. Let's do it. Dead. 50 double under crossovers. My God. Right guys, so we're back with the commentary. So I told you it'd be a strange video. We're going from the gym to commentary. But yeah, what I want to do is just show you guys what I do when I finish my workouts. I'll spend about 30 minutes at least building combinations, doing freestyle skipping, so I'm still getting a great workout in. And what I'm doing is I'm just trying to really understand how I can manipulate the rope even more, how I can build in new moves. And what you're going to see here is just me really, I guess, building on my muscle memory. So I'm just going through these combinations time and time after again until I memorize it by heart. And what you'll see here is when I finish each segment, so you'll see me doing the crossovers here, then double unders coming up, you'll see me slow down, and then that will be the kind of end of that segment. So I'll slow down here, and then now we're going to work on the final segment to this particular move or this particular combination. And what I'm going to try and do here is try and build in the spin or the 360, the spinning rush EB, which my athlete Brandon Lee showed me. And then I'm going to put on my kind of own personal touch to it by finishing with a backwards side swing crossover and then coming back round to the front, if that makes sense. But guys, I've actually enjoyed making this video. I've messed up a ton of times doing this commentary. I also want to say a big up as well for last week's kind of rope rush tickets. They sold out in like literally 25-30 minutes, which is incredible. I'm going to be doing a lot more around London and across the globe, like I said. So guys, stay legend, keep flying. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.